Hey YouTube, so this is video part 2 for our closet organizer. This is once again ClosetMaid organizer. The brand is ClosetMaid. As you can see, it's white in color. So if you haven't watched it, and if you would like to see how we actually built this or how we came to this part here, please check out the previous video, part 1. So that was the assembly portion. Now we're going to be actually installing this setup. So what we're going to need for this part is, as you can see, we're going to need a level so we can, kind of measure, make sure it's actually standing straight. And right now it's right in the middle, so it's level. Other pieces or the hardware that we're going to need are going to be impact driver, drill, screwdriver, pencil for marking. I got an eraser too, just in case. 1 1/4 bit for drilling, and then also this one is 5/64 for smaller drilling, basically. And then the hardware and the screwdriver, and also the hardware pieces that came with this set, actually, with this furniture set. So we're gonna need two of these L-shaped anchors or brackets, if you will. Plastic anchors for screws going into drywall, and then 2 long screws and 2 short screws. It's gonna go like this, basically. So we're gonna measure it here. Alright, so we just finished installing this part. So it's rock solid now, as you can see, and it's level. So we got the top part installed. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing with these L-shaped brackets on the top, and attach them right over there, just like we did with the bottom portion. And level is still in the middle, the bubble, so it means everything's straight. Now next thing we're gonna do is to install the bars, rods, hanger rods, if you will, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, now the fun part. So we are going to be installing these hanger rods, the plastic mounting brackets, and hardware. We are still using these, the ones that already came with the set. Whatever is left over, that's what we're going to use to install these. And these are plastic brackets. All right, so we just marked the side where we're going to be mounting these this bracket here. So just gonna put a small hole here to initiate for the screw. Right. I'm not drilling all the way, just a little bit. I'm going to finish it out with the screwdriver manually because I don't want it to penetrate from the other side and also accidentally crack the bracket because it's plastic. All right, now it's the drilling time. If you look at a bar, so they got holes on each end, and how it's gonna work is that on these brackets you have these kind of notches here, so it's supposed to go like this into a hole and it locks in place. And when you're trying to remove it, you lift, kind of tilt it a little bit and then lift it. If you try to lift it directly, there's this thing here that kind of holds it in place, and since this is plastic, it can just snap and break. So always remember that. Now I'm gonna install this side first. There you go. And voila. Now let's see if it's straight based on our calculation. Boom. It's right in the middle. All right, so now that that side is done, we're gonna do the same exact thing with the other two bars on this side. The only exception being one is gonna be on the top, and then the next one's gonna be in the bottom. But otherwise, it's the same exact procedure. So I'm not gonna record the other installation of other two bars, but that's basically how it's gonna look in the once it's all done. And yeah. Alrighty, so this is where we are, and this pretty much completes our project with this setup. As you can see, everything has been installed and everything looks to be straight. The only thing is that the shelf, so we do still have this one additional shelf here that needs to be adjusted and installed. That we haven't determined yet, because we do have actually part 3 coming up, where we are going to be installing additional pieces that were not included inside the package. Those had to be purchased separately, and what we did end up purchasing was that the top shelf. So we're going to be installing 2 top shelves, one on that side and one on this side, because as you can see, we still have plenty of real estate on top that we can utilize for storage. And one more thing is going to be a soft closing drawer. We are going to be installing one of those as well in here, and for that reason we are not actually installing that shelf just yet, but that's going to be in the next video. So if you guys interested following this build, just follow the channel, and we will be uploading another part where we're going to be finishing it up with additional compartments. But otherwise, this is all there is to it for this video. Let me just remove all of this stuff so you guys can see the full picture, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Just follow the channel, and you guys have a great day. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, just leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you.